The recreational vehicle, or RV. The name alone evokes a sense of adventure, exploration, and the open highway. I know what you've been saying, Rodney. What kind of RV are you driving? Well, I drive a Winnebago View 24J, and I love it. I know what else you're saying. Rodney, aren't you afraid? Isn't an RV dangerous? No! In fact, won't you join me as I take you on a brief tour of my beautiful Winnebago View 24J, and I'll show you how fun and safe an RV can be. Come on, let's go. The View 24J comes with all the amenities you would expect from a luxury brand like Winnebago. For instance, this flat panel high definition television set. It's mounted so it can be seen from the sitting area, but with one release it's swiveled so you can turn it. God! Oh my eye! Ah! Jeez! The Winnebago View 24J comes with one slide out, which is fantastic because it dramatically increases the inside of the RV. It's just as easy and safe to use. All you have to do is open up this door and it accesses your control panel. You press this one button and the slide out starts to go out. It's operated on these rails. Oh my God! Oh my God! The Winnebago View 24J comes with a fantastic kitchen area. It's got a refrigerator and a freezer, 2 sinks, and this 2-burner cooktop. It's just this easy to operate. You lift up the top, which exposes the 2 burners. They're right here. You turn it to on, and you press this button. If you're worried about backing up in this RV, you don't need to be. Because although the Winnebago View 24J does not have a rear-facing window, it does have a high-definition rear-facing camera. It's super easy to use. Let me show you where it's mounted. All you have to do is just climb right up here, and you can see that it's I hope you enjoyed the tour of my Winnebago View 24J. I think I've proven that RVs are fun and they're 100% safe. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you out on the highway.
Yeah, this guy's not going to be seeing anything out on the highway. No bugs, no trees. He's heavily sedated.
I feel really good, actually.
Yeah, I'm sure you do.
Okay. Thanks, you guys, for the ride. Could you stop and get my RV on the way out?